Dude, it's the cube thingy, like from the internet. You see, I got the whole, it looks a little better from the front. I'm not gonna lie to you, but it Bro, I got toothpaste all over my everything. What a disaster, but we must persevere. Only a few people know how to build from sapples pin? Does that mean staples? I don't know, let's hear the guy out. I've seen this also in many videos on the internet, on my phone, on my computer machine, where people are putting the office supplies together, the staples, into some sort of satisfying cube building Minecraft. This is clearly some next level industry plant marketing to sell more staples, right? We were just overstocked on staples this week, so we conducted this little TikTok song and dance. I'm on to you, but it's fine. I'm a cog in the machine. It's fine. I'm just calling the kettle a kettle. Just calling the machine a machine. He's building the thing. I don't know. I might need to reference this video, but I think I get the general idea. Do I have enough staples would be my next question. Oh yeah, I got a lot more than I meant to actually. I did buy like $14 worth of staples. Listen, man, I'm dedicated to what I came here to do, and I came here to put staples together. What you're gonna want to do here is clearly you take the east wing with the... Alright, I don't need to see this guy right now. I'm watching him. Ow! These are sharp. No one told me. Calm down. Alright, hold on. We need to snap one of these just down the right part. Just down the right, middle part, right. Whichever part's right, I don't know. If loving you is wrong, honey, I knew it all along. Duh. I'm a bad man. Okay, hold on. Get in there. Wait. Get in there. Which one of you wants to get into where? Oh, is it like that? Oh, I sort of pick up what you're putting down here. I hate it, but I'm picking it up. I hate it. I don't respect it, but you drive a hard bargain, and I'm gonna pick some up. I can see why only a few people could do this. This is for geniuses. Dude, look at his, and then look at mine, and then look at his. And then look at mine, dude. I mean, I just started. Calm down. Damn. Slow down there, young man. I can't even keep up. Oh, he's done. All right, so you just kind of want to put the long parts and the short parts to where they can go. That makes sense to my brain. But will it work in practice? Yes. Practice do make perf. And I'm ready. I'm ready to be perfected. Wait, is this how you do it? Like having them linked like that? It's so rickety. How'd he make his so sturdy? It all needs a strong... I mean, am I starting too big? Am I using too big brain? What if, and hear me out here, I don't know how staples to do. I don't know what staples to do is. What the hell kind of engineer... Can't even get these to stay in place. Oh yeah, that's some structural integrity right there, baby. I feel so smart right now. All right, we're basically on the same level at this point. Let me just back this video. I mean, nothing. Yeah, he was even ahead of me back then. Hold on. Now, I'm only joking here. Okay, hold on. So our next idea here is, I think, absolutely. What I learned in boating school today is, be like you just take your lover and take her down, put her here, and there you go. Or whatever. They make it look so easy. My grandson showed me this on the computer, but it wasn't so hard on the computer. How do you do this shit? Big, meaty staple plans. All started with this shape that Lonnie wasn't even close to figuring out. Okay, that makes sense. What you're gonna wanna do... I wish I had like a standard staple cracker. These are all gonna be different lengths. Which is probably not gonna help. That's fine, everything's fine. Alright, so he put them like that, pal. Let me just turn this on tiny boy speed. Now this is more my speed, what can I say? Yeah, he'll do it when he's ready. Come on, little guy, speed it up. I mean, come on. If you don't know what you're doing, you can just tell us. Or whatever. So he's putting a little rod in there to make it big and strong, I guess. If I had to guess, that's what I would think he's doing. Oh, he like banded them like together? Like a genius? Put that in the middle, make it strong, big and stronger. That makes sense. It's not that much stronger, but hold on, we're getting there. And then he's got a little bit of this. You want to loop it in there, loop it in there. This is the secret. You got to make them all interlinked. Shit. Shit. I wish they were magnetic or something. Jesus, this is so annoying. It's like a house of cards. There we go. Maybe I'm just bad or have arthritis or everything. All of the above. Why not all of the above? What is this music? Is he trying to cry for help through the song? That's kind of what it sounded like. A little creepy. I'm going to add another little thing like here in the middle. I'm just assuming that's the vibe we're going for. I know he's going harder, better, taller, faster right now, but I'm a little afraid. So just going to meander down here from the path for a little longer, if that's okay. And then we'll crack a cold one with the boys to alter our needed size. And then you're going to want to put her there, pal. This mouse mat is getting in the way too. You're halting. You're getting in the way of progress, buddy. Why would you do that for? Why would you do that? Why would you want to? Imagine not being a freaking unified, homogeneous length. Oh, God. It's a bad day to be a sailor. Just trying to get my ducks in a row here. Why does that look so messed up? Something's gone wrong. Oh, there we go. There we go. There. No, that still looks wrong as heck. Oh, because you're not all extendoed out. That makes sense. Oh, I'm making them too big. Too large. That's what I get for getting while the getting was too good. Because sometimes when the getting seems too good, it's not. You know what I'm saying. Okay. Is this cheating? I don't know. What are the rules of staple? Alright, yeah, I gotta like put it in there, right? And then around there. And then that doesn't physically work. Is that how you do it though? I don't know. What's the secret? Teach me the ways! Damn it. How do you even? What does this have to do with toothpaste? Okay. We're getting somewhere here. Kind of. I don't know. Can this fit in here or not? It broke. No. Damn, dog. You're really scaring the hose with this one. You're really freaking the hose out with this one, bro. Hey, man, the hose are really freaked out by what you're doing. Oh, my God. What is this? I think I might have to go through to a few more years of college before I can build the Empire State Building out of staples. But this is kind of an interesting little niche of geniuses that I was unaware of until today. All right, I don't know if you can tell, but this is progress. This is sturdy. I'm feeling okay about this. I think that I really did myself in by not buying the right size staples. It's okay. We persevere. All right, crack this. Just eyeball it. That's fine. Make it about yay big. You see what I mean? This is kind of leaving a lot of room for error. You see, I made an error. You see? Another one. Just kidding. Only one. Only the first one. We're doing it. We're vibing. We're good. Okay. And then you put this one across this way. As you would. As you should. And then crack her over the head immediately. Oh. Never mind. Wait, hold on here. Where was I? Get in there. There it is. That'll, I think, fit. Then. We got this, boys. Dude, this is kind of relaxing in a really stressful and I'm freaking out kind of way. Oh, no. The Twin Towers. Not again. This is all this is reminding me of, dude. That one day, that one faithful day. Okay, this is pretty good. How do you finish it? Now we got to do the top or something, right? Damn, bruv. All right, the proportions are off, but it's fine. We're going to improvise. You know, emotional support. No! I'd actually like physical support on second thought. On second thought, it's gonna have to be physical, tangible support. I will not be settling for less. Not after that faithful day. You guys are being disrespectful. Okay. You see how we're improvising a little bit? I don't know if you can tell here, but we're sort of improvising a little bit here. If you look closely, you can see my improvisation here. Shit. I knocked over tower number 2. This is so much more stressful than anything I've ever done before at this scale with office supplies. Okay, little staples. Stay put, buddy. There it is. And then as you can fucking see, we're gonna shake it like that. I don't know why that one just wants to go to sleep all day. Jesus. Man, if I wasn't withdrawing from fentanyl right now, this would be a lot easier. I feel like I should make that clear that that was a joke. This is where the height thing is gonna really come into play here. Get out of here, little guy. Hit the road, Jackson. All of this is to provide security. Yes! Okay. So we link those, and then what? This guy's video was a little easier to palette, but he is getting to the complicated part. I'm sure I'll mess it up fine. Whoops, didn't mean to like that. It's just not an accurate representation of my feelings, but that's okay. I'll be a liar today, I guess. Just want to make it clear to you that I did not like that. Nor will I like that. Ever. I certainly don't know. Does it have to be like the perfect size or something? I don't know. Can I see the other side? Will that make everything ruined? Oh, the other side looking kind of fresh, to be honest, if I don't lie to you. Okay. So this, I'm studying the ingenuity. Yes. Yes, I do understand. Quite. It's not tall enough. I only want to take a little bit of the tower off this time. I'm sorry if that was too soon for anybody. Okay, here it is. Is that how you're supposed to do it? I don't know. That looks a little wonky. But I guess it is wonky. I think my perception of staples will always be anger now. I'm gonna be angry in the Office Depot. Whenever I see Shaquille O'Neal, usually I have a big smile on my face. I love that guy. No, feels like we're so close, but I have no idea why I feel that way or what. Oh no, I've gone and fucked it. Look it, if I hold it from this way though. It's time to do it. Why isn't it changing to the right one? Dude, it's the cube thingy, like from the internet. You see, I got the whole, it looks a little better from the front. I'm not gonna lie to you, but my money don't jiggle. It crumble into shambles before me. I'm not stressed. I love this toy. Why? Are you stressed? You wanna hit this?